What are your 5 favorite screenwriting books?
5 favorite screenwriting books. Oh boy. Well, I have to plug The Story Solution by Eric Edson.
Sure.
I've read that book backwards and forwards over the last 2 years, and it's fantastic. I like reading Screenplay by Sid Field just because it reinforces the basics. I think that's something that's really important. I really like Story by Robert McKee because that's kind of more of an esoteric, it gets into, kind of subgenres and just really, really minute things in storytelling in terms of classifying things, which I think is cool. We don't do that much of that. I think that's really good. There's one that it's not a book, it's actually like a transcription of a speech. A guy named Frank Daniel.
Oh yeah.
He's a screenwriting instructor, and he's the one who created the 8-sequence approach. He has, it's like a 70-page transcription of a class that he taught. And that's where he gets into kind of the beginnings of the 8 sequences and things that happen within them and stuff. That was something I was given in class, and I think I probably read it 9 times. It's fantastic. You can probably find it online. And then the 5th one, I would say Save the Cat. I know a lot of folks have differing opinions on that book, but I think that's kind of a neat, fun way to figure out the basics of what your story is by going through that process. I think you need to get a little more granular than Save the Cat when you ultimately sit down to write. I've written a few screenplays with Save the Cat before I got to school. But I think it's really kind of a fun way to get motivated to write something. So I think there's definitely value in that.
If you tried to plug that into Legally Blonde, I'm trying to think back, forgive me, it's been a few years since I've seen it, so does Elle have a Save the Cat moment? She has a few, maybe, to kind of prove herself and
let me think.
Make herself likable.
Yeah, I mean, when she's nice to the woman at the hair salon, that's definitely one. I'm trying to think at the very beginning. There's definitely, I can't remember a Save the Cat moment specifically, but I know that all the girls in the sorority absolutely love her. So there were certainly Save the Cat moments beforehand. You can see the love that the girls of the sorority have for Elle. So that's definitely something. I know it's been a little while since I watched it too.
Right. Did they love her from the beginning though? I don't know if they loved her from the beginning, but then she proves.
No, the girls in her sorority love her.
They do,
she's,
okay.
Yeah, she's the president of the sorority, and she has a 4.0. If you remember at the very beginning, one of the sorority girls has that card that she delivers to her when she's riding the bike through campus, through the opening credit sequence. So yeah, she's definitely adored there. It's when she gets to Harvard that it's a problem.
Ah, okay, right.
The girls don't like her at Harvard, and she has to convince them. But yeah, when she first starts out, everybody's in love with her. Like she's like the talk of campus. So.
Sure.
Yep.